Here we go! Hey! It's supposed to come back! Why?
Oh, what's the matter? Your boomerang? Not again. Oh, it's really high. Nope, it's not coming down. Don't cry, it's okay. Let me think. Wait, the recycling. Bingo! Cardboard to the rescue. I need a circle right in the middle. Then some evenly placed marks. Use a ruler to draw lines. Pretty good. Keep going. Now draw these curvy lines through each section. Looking good. A little help. Perfect. Now for the fun part. Honey, you do the honors.
Really? Wow! Thank you, Mom! Look at it!
Yay! Oh, thank goodness. Ugh, come on!
Check it out!
Hello? Oh, no! Yes! Okay.
Huh?
Oh my, I have to go!
Bye!
Behave, okay?
There it is! I'm home alone, baby! And I can do whatever I want! Uh-oh! Oh no! Not our picture! Huh? No, no, no! It's broken! I can't salvage this! It's Mom's favorite picture of us! I am so dead! Unless I want to try something! I forgot about this old box! What's in here? Toilet paper? How about this? An old paper roll? Wait! I have an idea! Operation I don't want to get in trouble in full effect! All it takes is a little creative thinking. Well, the first step's done. Here's where the rolls come into play. A little more pink, perhaps? And on one end, a little love. Aww. It can connect the two sides. Nice! Aren't we the cutest? Why choose just one photo? Bring on the memories!
I'm back. That was rough. What's all this?
I made it for you. It's us, see? Our very own little slideshow.
Aren't you the sweetest thing? I love you, honey.
Just don't look down here. Yep. Whoa! Any clues in here? How about in the garden? I spy a clue. A very green clue. But it's all blurry. Oh, help!
What? Am I sitting on something? Oh, what's this doing here? Such a mess. No, wait! I need this. Cardboard is one of the most versatile materials out there. And here's proof. Just trust the process, okay? And just like that, it's done. And for this piece, something a little different. Peekaboo! Just the right size for this. Nice! And for the back, I'm sticking in a teeny tiny flashlight. Just jimmy it in a bit. And put some hot glue here. Put some more for the other wire. And it's ready! Put the two pieces together, along with this. With some glue, it should stick. Next up, perhaps the most important piece. The piece she'll be looking through. Stick that plastic right on. Attach it to this, along with the knob and the plate. All done! Pretty clever, huh? Enjoy! Let there be light. See?
Wow, thank you! I've been dying to see what's on this thing. Whoa! Ugh, I regret this. I don't want to see close anymore.
But Okay, fine.
I'll just read.
I need a vacation. No spots here.
Meh, no thanks. Fruit attack!
Huh? That is unacceptable! Stop it right now!
Sorry, Mommy.
Wait a minute. Oh. Hello?
That was awkward.
Yes, 1 second.
Yay! While Mom's away, I can play! It's raining suds, people! Woohoo!
Bye! Oh! Young lady! There's soap everywhere! What did you do?
Just playing with suds. Don't hate me.
Actually, I have an even better idea. And it involves a sponge. Half of it anyway. Perfectly done. Add some hot glue and wrap it around a cork. Done! Now we add a little fun. Everyone loves googly eyes. Just stick 'em right in. It's a little sponge snail. See?
I don't know.
It won't bite. I'll show you how it works. Now drag it across the lines. It leaves a little trail. Now you go.
Okay, I'll do it. This road's full of twists and turns.
Good job. Okay, bye.
See ya, Mom! Eyes on the road. Time for the best part of the day. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Those are some stinky feet.
Oh,
Okay.
whatever. Now where was I?
Megan! My work!
I'm sorry. It was an accident.
No! These are very important papers! Or they were. You need to use your head!
Oh, man.
From now on, you're using this. This sticks to the table, see?
Huh?
We call that spill-proof.
Oh, cool. That's not going anywhere.
That's one problem solved.
Sorry. See? She's my favorite. Hey, what's going on? This isn't working right either. Oh, bummer. I can kinda still hear it. Oh! It's totally gone now? No fair. Wait, the chords! They're a mess.
What's that sound?
Just one more notch. Ah!
Huh?
It's okay. I'm alright. Stupid wires.
Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm ready. Actually, things are looking up. When it comes to messy situations, it's always good to look at the glass half full. And in this case, a stemmed glass will do. This will stay put now. Ta-da! What do you think? I'll show you how it works. See your phone screen?
Well, kind of. I don't… Huh? Over there! My show! My show!
Yep, I made popcorn too.
I love this part! Thanks.
Oi!